This here is my beautiful gazebo. I'm super proud of it. Now, don't mind the attachment that you see to it. That did not come with it. My husband is building something. He wants to have another roof on top of that connected to our gazebo. But the actual gazebo you see, oh my gosh, we love this thing. We were able to put so much furniture under it. It's really nice and big. We even added a TV to the side of it. So we just love to come out here as a family on nights that are nice and cool, and we watch TV underneath the lights. I even hung a wreath on the top. So there's a lot of different things that you can do with this gazebo to really spruce it up and make it beautiful for you and your family. I also got a fireplace in here, and it does have an extra shelving to it with an actual cabinet door, so you can store things in here. Sometimes we use this as like our little bar. There's just a never-ending array of things that you can do with this gazebo. It withstands the weather really well. Had it for over a year now, and it still looks brand new in the hot Arizona sun. I couldn't ask for a better gazebo. Highly recommend this one.